Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I love to crochet. But one of the things that drives me crazy is if I get a tangle in my yarn. That's why I love this wooden yarn bowl that keeps my yarn organized in such a beautiful way. So if you look closely, you'll see it's a high polished small wooden bowl. It has a very sturdy flat bottom, and so I can place it near me on the floor. I can place it next to me on the table or couch, wherever I'm crocheting, and it keeps my yarn flowing well without snagging or any tangles. And it keeps my yarn where I need it to be. So the yarn ball is not rolling across the floor, stuck underneath the couch, collecting dog hair, or any of the other places I don't want it to be. So this is just a beautiful way to help you keep your yarn in good order so that it moves smoothly and you're able to continue with your project. So I really love this yarn bowl. It keeps my yarn right where I need it. Wherever I'm crocheting, it keeps my yarn organized and clean off the floor, and it's beautiful. So I love the way it glides really easily without pulling, and that is my point of view.